welcome to GitHub tutorials. So this is my third video lesson. So in this one, I'm going to explaining this each and every videos one by one. First of all, we need to set up right. So then only it is easy to understand how to use GitHub. Okay, so in my previous lesson you have learned how to install GitHub in Windows. Okay, I have explained about desktop application, okay, as well as browsers, right? You instead of using desktop you can use browser application, so that it is easy to maintain properly. So why? Because it is open source, right? Okay, that's why while installing the desktop application it is taking so much time, so I'm not able to explain properly. So we can use browser version, so that it is easy to maintain your projects in GitHub. Okay, today we are going to learn how to install GitBash in Windows. So what is the use of GitBash actually? GitBash means same like a CMD command prompt, but it will be displayed in a different with some colors, like same colors. So it is using by Git only. So whatever the changes you are doing in your application, you can use with the help of GitBash, and you can to commit the changes into Git in your proper repository. What is the repository you have using, that particular repository you can go into changes. So you can check the Git initialization, Git status, and you can check the what is the rollbacks, what is the commit changes. Everything will be identified and you can verify in GitBash. Okay, let me tell you what is a GitBash command line tool. You can use same like command prompt, and you will get two options whenever you are installing the GitBash. After that you will get two options like a Git GUI here, Git Bash here. So I have shown you, right? After installing the Git, you will get a Git Bash, Git CMD, Git GUI. Okay, these three options you will get. Okay, this is a GUI, same like open existing repository you need to browse. Okay, just quit. I will show you after installing this Git bashes, and in next lesson we will see actual real-time example how to create the repository in a Git. I'm using browser version, so one more time I'm remembering, and how to clone that repository into your local machine, so that we can use that Git GUI as well as Git bash Git CMD. So where you can download this Git bash, just go to Google and enter search keyword as download Git bash, and you will get this option, right? Git downloads. I'm opening Git downloads. So you are downloading the latest version, 64 versions. Why? Because my PC is 64 version. So now that you have downloaded Git, it's time to start using GUI. You can use, get involved, read the book, and you can use from C, 32-bit for Git for Windows setup, 64-bit for Windows setup. Okay, but you need to go to this install Git bash, open hatch. This you have to open hatch.org downloads win missions. Just it will show you Git bash as a silly name. It's comprised of two parts. Git a version control tool. We have a training mission. So this is using for training missions. So bash a shell that runs command once you type the name of the command and press enter on your keyboard. Okay, so you can download from here. Feature download list. It is giving the Git bash for Windows. So everything will be giving here. I have downloaded already. If you have seen here, I have downloaded Git bash 2.7.4. just click on run as administrator. So it will give you the details throughout the installation setup. Okay, GNU several public license. So I have already downloaded. Okay, Git bash. You need to select Git. These are default selections. Just click on next, and it will give you use Git from Git bash only. Use Git from Windows command prompt. Use Git and optional Unix tools. So I'm using Windows. Select this one. Click on next. Use open SSH, open tortoise p link. If you have a tortoise, you can use. Just click on next. It will give you checkout Windows style commit Unix style Windows checkout as a commit Unix style. You need to select this one. Git will convert LF to control F when checking out text files. When committing text files, control F will be converted to LF for cross-platform projects. This is the recommended settings for Windows. Okay, and when coming to this one, Git will not perform any conversion when checking out text files. It is showing us converting LF to control F, but here it is showing us will not perform any conversions. Okay, so same like you need to select, click on next, and use min tty. Okay, just click on next and enable Git credential manager. So why? Because while you are committing, it will ask username password. Require .NET framework 4.5.1 or later. Okay, just installing it. I have already installed, so that's why I want to close. I'm not getting any options. See, please wait while Git is removed from your computer. It is already installed. I have Git already installed, and I'm installing Git on your computer. So I will show you where I have installed. So I have installed and showing you Git, and I have installed Git. Somewhere I have installed, so I will show you. See Git, see program files, Git. In program files it is installing Git, and it is installing everything, bash and cmd. And just go to here. Please while set up and install Git on your computer. Everything is done. It will give you everything. It will give you option here. See, it is installing, right? You can uninstall also from here. See where is notes. Okay. So everything is done, finished. So now you will get an option get GUI here, get bash here. Okay. So if I have opened get bash here, it will give you details. See, it will display like same like user command prompt. Okay, you can check git status. If I not a git repository is not till now cloned, that's why it is giving these details. Okay, so like this you can install git bash in your application, sorry, in your local machine. Okay, and in next lesson we will see actual how to create the repository in browser version I'm using, right? So in next lesson we will see how to create the repository and how to clone that repository to our local machine. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my videos, and please provide your comments on videos so that I can understand how much you are understanding. Okay, thank you for watching my video.